So on my right, Lana, I've got Nigel.
100%.
My left, Tony, myself, centered, cooking, Bulela, Tabani Bangas, Albert. Nigel, can you give us a bit of who you are?
Okay. So my name originally is Nigel Katsi. I work at Japanese Pizza. I do the deliveries, the delivery guys, And at the time when the content creation, I just started a little bit doing some vlogs, fitness, those kind of things. Just trying to find out my perfect spot, if you know what I mean. So yeah, it was in the lesson.
Well, Tony,
No, igama mina nguNhlonipha bangazi nguNhlonipho the artist. Yeah, do fabric painting, acting, poetry, ngiyahlaya, sibonela. Yeah.
friend yakho mostly, ne?
Yeah, I prende yakho.
Supporting the fire one way. Supporting the local artists 100%. 100%. Yeah, straight.
If I can,
Kepha uzoyithola.
after the show.
Totally, you're gonna have to pay though. Yeah, okay. Some moolah,
Yeah.
business wise.
Twice rent.
100%.
Alright, me and myself, Albert, or Budelang, King, obviously. Mr. D driver, take a lot. I recently started also being a YouTuber, so you've seen the shorts, you've seen the fun side of things, and I guess now let's get into the serious talk. Why we're all here, or three of us are here, is just to see which delivery team has it the worst. I believe like myself, it's us. Yeah, well, and I know you've got a different opinion when we're talking, on WhatsApp and on socials. We see some different Yeah.
I think that depends on which side, well, like what you're trying to say, or to as a team, or it's way at the worst. But I mean, I have a bad experience in terms of dealing with the customers. When I have a bad experience like driving the bike itself. So I think it's also depends on when I would say where exactly you have it, or would see experience a bad experience like is it the staff, is it the customers, or is it the bike itself? So ngingazi ukuthi singahlangana laphi nje exactly ukuthi lesikhipha.
Yeah, kunomzima vele sakuthola deliver. Ungasho sometimes isithuthi dependa kuyena umuntu. Ngoba isithuthi mhlawumbe i-weather condition deliver i-weather yabheka and then
malisa ndoda.
slippery.
Yo.
Don't rush.
Right.
Kodwa futhi when ufike inside to the customer.
I think that's bad because as soon as you figure out a customer, regardless of what's no you're stuck in traffic. Customers will be like, what? I mean, of course, there are some customers who understand, but bro, some
I've dealt with pretty rude customers. I won't lie. I remember a while back, I was delivering from Wimpy. So this customer decides, it's 2 adult meals and 3 kiddies meals. So obviously the kiddies meals, my toys, for the little ones. So I collect the order, and it's a distance, going to deliver. Hey, 0 tip. I'm not saying they must tip, but
I'm
0 tip, bro. I pack it, I go there. Climb carefully. I want my drinks and I get there, and this guy is just like, "It's my order here. What's my order?"
Jeez.
It's okay. Hi, sir. Here's your Wimpy order. Where the toys?
Jeez.
I'm like, the toys are inside. It's all been packed.
Right.
Auntie, if it's not in there, you're gonna go collect them. Like,
Yo.
sir, like I said, you can please check the bag. The toys are in there.
Yeah.
He snatched it out of my hand, and as a person who's doing a service, it's heartbreaking to feel or to see someone just disregard
You know,
into it.
Yeah.
You actually
Respect.
landed it well because I don't want to lie. Sometimes for me, I snap. Serious, because at some point you could be having a bad day,
Yeah.
and then the customer is suddenly being rude like that. I'm a human being as well.
Yeah.
I'll be like, dude, you know,
Yeah.
You're a child, man.
Use a child, but take it
Customer
fine.
is right.
But that's not the other point. For the customer is always right. That one is.
Sometimes it's familiar reporting come to the vela suka la.
Yeah. Now what you that time again? Yo, yeah, customer. My special time in my location. When you got it, nobody's calling child and come like, jeez, come on, guys. But
Kabanye bakudabukela ngihamba ngesisuthu
straight.
Unophila ngayo kanti so
Straight. So I think with the customers, it so depends with the person as well. Like the person that you're going to deliver to.
Yeah.
Because I think I had the same experience and I was late. I don't want to lie, I was late. And you know when the orders come in, they like instantly like with 5 orders there and then you're gonna go and deliver them. And I was late. And I get there, the customer was like, no, I don't know, it's fine. And I was even in a rush, you know what I mean? Yeah.
I mean, like with you always have more than one.
Actually, yeah, that's
delivery.
the thing about on our side in Debonesa, because we tend to have like 3 drivers or 4 drivers.
Yeah.
But then sometimes orders come in like at the same time.
Yeah.
It'll be like a lot, yeah, like 6 deliveries.
Yeah.
And if it's going to the same direction, you can't leave. You can't leave the order. Yeah. Let's say it's maybe a large shuputeka, because it will be like 4 large shuputekas. Those they can fit in a bag like instantly, like 1, 2, 3, and then you're done. So for you to be able to leave it, and then that means when you go, another driver is gonna follow you, and then the other sides now of the let's say of how yes, exactly. So on our side we'd be like, okay, so these orders are going, let's say Help West, and then there's Greendale, and then there's maybe Capital. So we just split 3 drivers, okay? 1, or I'll take 3, you take this direction and another direction. So that's why we end up picking like 3 drivers, 3 orders.
On Debonesa.
Yes.
To me
On Debonesa.
was the same ngeke kufane ngoba sini cross. Ngoba sathi crosser.
Straight there. You see.
Kapluf ya i-cross
Yo.
ne crosser nje leyo iqede. Noma ngaphizi. Noma so yeah.
So we start it for one customer at a
Yeah.
time, or you.
Yeah,
Okay.
because you can't pay kwi-box, i-crosser omunye umuntu ne-crosser omunye umuntu uzosmashia khona amaqanda omunye
But mina nani nesikhathi lapha. Isikhathi sifana naso isikhathi.
yeah, isikhathi something isikhathi.
Like for how long we like by expect isikhathi singakanani ukuzofika ku-customers.
Ngaso isikhathi siningi kuba u5 minutes or so even 10 minutes.
5 minutes.
Yeah, it's 60.
Yeah.
60 abanye abantu abaningi abazimela ukuthini isichaza ukuthi umuntu ne-order mhlambe u9 i-order lakhe kumele usele kuyena ngo-10 yeah within an hour. So uma kubhizi kumele enze sure nawe as udrive ukuthi uyashesha. Isikhathi mhlambe sinikiwe kodwa ku5 minutes or 10 minutes.
Yeah. Angibona isidingo sokuthi ama-customer complain lapha ku-66 ngoba vele nje like an hour yabo futhi i-grocer nje yabo i-grocer.
Cross.
Coming to that, I mean, with myself comes the day, man. It's kind of similar. Why I say that? Because when customer orders on the app, about a time frame with okay preparation time, then back on that the drivers collection time, and then delivery time. So our delivery time is 15 minutes, irrespective of what you
You guys are having it good, you know.
Yeah.
Seriously, having it
Yeah.
good. Having it good because on our side we only got 30 minutes. That's it. Preparing and delivery, 10.
30 minutes.
But then
30 minutes, yeah.
Okay, when you are assigned to one specific store, right?
Yo, yeah, no, that
Yeah.
makes sense.
And I feel like that's
Yeah.
why on your side as well, where
Yeah.
you are stationed to check out.
Yeah, check out.
Well, so how we can check out. For myself, wherever I am,
Different store.
every store that is on the app, I need to be able to know
With your collector on.
So,
KFC,
KFC.
McD,
Even at your store, you have so
Yeah.
yeah, well,
That's why you guys are taking our orders. That's what it means. Serious.
yeah, it's some unloyal.
Some other customers. Alright, that's it.
So with that, this kind of ends up being about 45 minutes.
Yeah.
To little hours.
thina ngithi vele i-order ezongena kubona ngo-9 mengabe iphuza ukuqeda ukulipheka mhlawumbe vele sekusele 20 minutes manje kuthi nefoni lipop-up sekuqediwe bephuza ukuqeda
Bese
inkinga
kura-
sekuyadrive 5 minutes or no 10 minutes sekumele ukhava.
And it's stuff like abaphathi bathini kuleyo nto leyo. Like do they blame you, let's say if you order like money, do they blame you ukuthi
Yeah, most of the time inkinga ibakudrive.
hey yabona
You're the last person
Yeah.
that had it.
Even if
Siyakhalela ke.
ngeke ukhala ukuthi sesitolo.
Yeah.
Yeah, drive slowly.
it's the same thing as well ngoba even kuthina as well like kunesikhathi. So even especially if it's time frame inkinga usually iba kudrive ukuthi what happened
Yeah.
kodwa now uyabona now ukuthi ngemuva bayenza
Yeah.
kancane kancane or bakhohlwa i-order nami or they forgot to put some wings or whatever because ikhalele. But when it comes to product now that's out of my hands. That's out of my hands. When it comes to product ziyakhala.
But kodwa mawukuthi uwile mhlawumbe wena ushaya ibhanki ushaya iphotholi.
What happens now? I mean, like, I know kwenzeka ama food
Hey,
what happens to your pay? What happens does it get done?
Well, what happens is you get a warning, basically. You get a warning. So let's say you're not expected to be like making a mistake every day.
Right.
But if you make, let's say, one mistake, which is reasonable, then
Yeah.
it's fine. But now, if you do it, namabome abozi zokhalela bo. Say namhlanje you do it, tomorrow you do it again, and then tomorrow now. Keep it one line straight. On your salary straight.
Yeah.
Like, let's say you make transaction and then it declines.
Right.
So you didn't see it or you see it, but then you, for some reason you end up not, you just leave the order and then come back to the store. That order, regardless whose fault it was, if you gave the order to the customer, you are the one who's gonna pay.
Yeah, but that makes sense. You didn't check. You didn't check. That's part of your job description.
Yeah.
So long as you're having the payable.
The table, or call the
Yeah.
table blade,
Yeah, play payable. So long as you have that, email will take to name. We have the show with cooking.
Yeah. But how are you guys surviving without the paper stuff?
Dude,
Because honestly, I don't want to lie. Those things they are making our lives easy, especially at Debonairs. Because the order assigns to you, you do a dispatch, either cash or card, you go there and then you pay, and then that's it. So I don't have to use my phone for battery or anything. I just have to charge the thing, and that thing lasts like a whole day without even charging.
Sina
How are you surviving?
sebenzisa ama power bank masebe on power bank to charge your phone. Ngoba ikwazi ukucima uma icima usakazi usebenza. Nanokuthi njengoba sinena ama-payable vele i-order lesi check sikhokhela online nonke ama-order sesikhokhele online.
so you don't have COP.
Yeah, sinayo.
There's also a thing. Hey, I'm a TP. Do you guys get tips
Online.
online?
About tip of nase-Mofika.
Alright. Kodwa online bazokunikeza lapha emolweni noma like after how long or
Yeah, masuhola, tsamuhola ama-tip akho uthola ngaso sikhathi.
That's like what weekly.
Yeah, we-invoice uzobona sama-tip akho,
See.
okay, 350 is 350 kanjani na umholo wakho.
okay, that's dope. That's very good.
That's what I 132 weeks, so that's fortnightly. And I more like today is payday, yeah? So
It's okay.
The money's coming.
it's coming,
The money's
I'm
coming.
paying, bro. Hey,
Oh, that's
fuel is low. Fuel is very low.
Yeah, even the thing of petrol. So it's a petrol so
it's same thing.
Yeah.
I've seen the
No,
petrol
it's no
service. Usually petrol service, basically or the whole thing about
Yeah, it's yours.
it's yours. Yeah, who's
Ufika
responsible?
somewhere phone it's up yakho.
Yeah, straight, yeah.
So malube ne-data. Yeah.
But it's funny to other guys like the other drivers because I see some of the drivers they'll be like, I don't have airtime to call the store and they'll be sending you, please go. Can you please come back? That's being unprofessional.
I've never understood the
Totally.
concept, yeah.
'Cause-
yeah, me enough myself. What makes it simple? Think about minutes
Straight.
on net.
Period.
Yeah.
And it lost me right? Because each customer I'm calling is like 2 minutes or whatever.
Yeah, it's not
Yeah.
even less than a minute because you'll be like, hi, where are you exactly? Oh, hi, I'm coming right now. Be ready. I'll be there. That's it.
I like about it's in Maritzburg. I send the chats, in-app chats. I'm outside. I share my please call. And I'm
Bro.
wondering, I'm like, this is so unprofessional.
It's straight,
Yeah.
straight. That actually sucks. Even when I hear about it.
uthole i-customer bazokubuza o-control ukuthi did you call the
Because,
customer?
no, I don't have
Yeah.
airtime. Are you not even scared to say that?
Yeah, uthole iphantsha uba
Uzokwenzenjani?
nenkinga isitolo ukuthi hayi ngisenenkinga manje uzofuna kanjani? So WhatsApp and then your manager is offline.
Hey.
Talk about the punch. This other night I was driving home. So straight, and I don't know where. It's not like a move, it just sits down.
Wow. Flare.
My bike, bro, shake
Yo. Yo.
Just God, I was happy with it. Didn't get on coming that night. So
Yeah.
I was on my own. Yeah, it was
Yeah.
like 10 or so.
Yeah.
I managed to stop. But pipe no car. April was shaking. And I swear, I almost went my match now.
Because you got 2 ways, remember? You got 2 ways. One is God, one is God.
So you can't drop a motorbike. What does it mean?
Hey, la apoge.
It's like they buy a hood and Papa, Papa, Vena.
I rode the flat tire home.
Like
I
that.
had no choice.
Hey, for me, I got lucky. I bought, the small pump, the small electric pump.
Yeah.
So I got that one, and then I got my small bag where I put my tools in.
Like
So-
possible one.
Yeah, it's a portable bag. So wherever I am, my tools are there. If I've got a puncher, I just stop and move the whole damn wheel, fix the puncher or change the tube,
Yeah.
and then I
And
put it
depending
back on
on
the way. Straight, big time, big time.
Adjust the chain. Zonke le kanjalo.
Big time.
Yeah.
But there are some guys who doesn't make it like looking it nice. If you open their box,
Yeah.
yo.
V-bag nje, bag.
Yeah, nice bag,
Yeah.
and then you put it in there, and then that's it. Yeah.
Ngizela ama-custom ngabe.
I mean, and kuna abanye bathanda ukubuka ngemuva.
Yeah.
No.
Uthi uyafika sethenga.
Hey, come on.
Motorbike yakho kumele uhlale i-clean nje uthole ukuthi usiwashe naso.
Straight.
But you know, magneta.
Yeah,
Magneta,
vele,
Magneta.
vele.
But
Hey, Magneto.
But umnandi manje it's winter. Winter's
Mhm.
coming.
Yeah.
100%.
So no rain.
Actually, it's almost there, so that would be good.
But it will be cold.
You can
Hey,
dress for the cold.
the
If you
hands.
don't have gloves.
Oh no, at least.
Straight. But when it's raining, I found it difficult to do the deliveries. I don't know.
Yeah, when
it's
it's
like a
raining,
difficult
but-
time. It sucks to go to work.
Yeah.
It's like Monday when it's raining.
Then
Every
so
day
is
is
bad.
Every day Monday, I'm like, jeez. Now you put on the rain suits, you put on the bloody gumboots.
Sometimes it's raining, sometimes it's not raining. It's raining 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, it's not
it's
raining.
not raining
Yeah, but
already.
then you
Oh,
can't take off your suits.
that's the thing as
Yeah,
well.
because especially like here in Howick, also at Central, we are Marybed. It's what, like 3 kilometers.
Yeah, and then
Yeah.
In that 3 kilometers, corner la kunganethi khona
Yeah.
at all.
that's the thing.
Sunshine.
Dry.
And then, so now you're gonna be, and you can't stop with bike.
Yeah. Sometimes more fair customer in the will yanetha yini.
Skip us. Lapho ugqokile nje lezi zinto lezi. Yeah, but yeah. I think it all depends with a person like this about the experiences. We're not just saying about who has had it more.
Yeah.
I think it depends with the person. Like it depends on like the experience that we have because we're all different. So yeah,
I
it's
genuinely had a really nice customer. I was delivering a parcel, take it out to him. He gave me 1.4. The order was only 1.2, right?
Yeah.
1,200. He gave me in 50s. So I agreed, I gave him the package, give me the cash, and I get back on my bike, so I count the money. I got a check. So I count, hey, it's 1.4. This guy is gone. He's gone. So I'm hooting now.
where are you?
I'm telling her, I hoot, I call, he comes back, he's like, what's wrong? So I'm like, hey man,
Extra money.
I think you gave me too much.
Check
Check your
the
cash.
200.
No, I gave him all the cash. Hey, it counts. I was like, 1.4. How much is it? Like, it's 1.2. So it's like, oh, legit, that guy, he gave me 150 back. He kept the 50 rand.
Oh, that's dope.
I'm like, no,
that's,
sir,
that's
I
nice.
can't. I can't.
That's nice.
you know.
Yeah.
And he's like, no, he just appreciates honesty.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's the advantage of being honest. You
Now
totally-
can boost petrol and that's why.
Straight, bro.
Yeah.
Straight.
And that week it was tough.
Yeah.
It was tough. Orders were low. It was dry. You know,
Yeah.
and
Or sometimes you even post 30 rand on your motorbike.
On the mother,
I don't put that there.
When I'm gonna in the pocket at like 30 rand, I'm like, nope, I'm gonna put it straight. But I actually put it 30 rand and I went the next one day. And then I was like,
Yeah.
thank God, because, right,
We do
yo,
this.
That
Yo.
is- I mean,
yo.
this one time, talking about risk, man. This one time, you ever just travel in between the lanes?
Yeah.
You know it's rush hour and you're driving. You know there's a time is of the essence.
Yeah.
And
we get paid with the orders as well.
Yeah.
The more you do
It's a
more orders,
commission.
it's a commission.
Yeah, that's how much.
It's a commission.
Straight.
Even me, it's a commission.
You do 5 orders.
Salary. Yeah.
So umuntu uyahamba and you have lo muntu lo ngiyambona lo uzothi velaphi but i-traffic cop bro i-traffic cop mfethu evela uthi woo and he's like should I stop? How many times have you evaded the cops
Honestly,
when you're supposed to stop
Just
and you
don't-
just and you pray and you pray.
Brabasi sokudula uke sengidlula la ngabe ngehlisa ngameceleni
washo njalo
speed ngoku speed ke lapha ngoku speed yeah
You got
wasakwazi ukuhamba ku80 endaweni ya60
60
fines.
yeah 700 bro
lapho nginalo-ticket guys angisatholi ubengenza zakhale obengibalekile irobot angisiyabona fairways so angithi umela ume laphana
Yeah,
so emse esinye isikhathi nje vele ushaye ngeseceleni yabona like ish kanti kunekobla ngemuva uhamba ne-Renault
yeah
wangibona wangilandela is this how you drive? That's why you guys die, because I was like, I'm sorry, I was shaking and everything. It's like, I'm gonna give you a warning, write your ticket. I'm for your coke and a pile. Yo, it's kind of me. But yeah,
The first
Incident.
traffic violation I ever got was at a four-way stop. So
Yeah.
sometimes you check when stop like red traffic lights. The ones that are turning first. The ones that need to turn first, and then it opens up the lane for our straight. So me being me, I'm at the front of the line. He made clutch in, accelerator, usually more day one. And in my nonchalant manner, like, oh, there's no other cars. It's in the clutch. We go with the jang hard. And behind me, NPC unmarked. Yabo. Hit that scene. I don't know hit that scene. Yabo. Yabo. Hey, bag. Go get in court, everything. As I jump off the bike, and in my face. I saw you. I saw him. I am confused with what's going on.
What's happening?
You ran a red light. I'm like, I did not run a red light. Bro, that ticket was 2,000 rand.
Jesus.
2,000 rand.
I
Spoke me, bro. Spoke me.
hey one friend
Yeah.
so it's like 2000
I broke out the time of 200
mawuya yendobijana ubani ecourt or something like that.
Yeah,
Kumele ufike ucele nje. But abakuseleka kangakanani le bayani?
I've never been to court. Just saying, not. I plead the fifth.
enye into esizayishiya lana kuma-deliveries ukuthi le nto ukuthi uconfirm ukuthi i-customer unakho ukuthi uyaqhamuka mhlawumbe uyodeliver yawo customer vele ubona umuntu eyiphumele esangweni ujethi uyemthatha order but uyazi utanganuzi but uthatha thank you
Thank you. Mina-ke ngiyazila ama-customer right now leyo because of that.
I've never had that encounter. I've had an encounter with no elami or
Alright.
but you know since you have information
Your mood.
the customer now you can always just confirm please confirm the name.
Yeah, man.
But you know sometimes get a shower.
Mina ngiyabadlula ngibamemeza. Mina thought ukuthi every time mangihamba nesuthu wonke umuntu uyangimemeza.
Bikes are branded, man.
And they're every time. So
60
yeah, angiziyabonga.
let's go 66
Ngasengijwayele manje so ngiyazithulela ngimdluli kanti yena umnikazi we-order ngimdluli And then mhlawumbe sengiyedla ke noma sengiyafona kuthi no umlulele njena sorry then I come back.
Yeah.
Khona lento futhi exaka inkinga wonke umuntu obona isusu usuke ethi hey usebenza kapizza usebenza kapizza delivery cross pizza even futhi connect pizza
Like you guys started the whole thing at delivery.
Delivery.
Fast food deliveries. I think,
100%. Actually, you're good on that, especially in Howie.
yeah.
We are the only store who deliver. Serious, yeah. And then those days, Miss busy.
I went with
Yeah.
after a few years, yeah, so I feel
Yeah.
like it's in,
Mr. D came in, and then and
But
Uber.
yeah,
I said Uber.
Uber Eats, Uber. We have any Uber guys here?
In here,
Maritzburg, yes.
Yeah.
I've seen a couple guys in
yeah,
Hilton
yeah.
from time to time.
yeah.
I don't think people's gonna make it here.
I don't think so as well, because I don't know. Maybe they will, but I don't know. You
Yeah,
never.
I mean, Mr. D started slowly here.
Yeah, it's picking up.
Snella got 2 orders.
We guys will blame you guys for not having more orders. Because basically people will be like, nah, today I'm not gonna eat pizza. You know, I'm gonna eat Nando's, I'm gonna eat KFC, I'm gonna eat McDonald's.
Yeah,
But
but
back then, yeah, back then it was us and Nando's. That's it. KFC wasn't delivering. There was no McDonald's. And that was the recipe.
Yeah.
So we know Monday when Monday comes, bro.
Because of
Big hand.
the payday.
Yo, big hand right. Big hand right away. Ilapho sabuya nalento le ulekhamba nemoda amaningi. Kodwa nayo into foneza ayivuma ayifuni. The maximum is like 3 hours. But uyazi nje ngoba sabantu phela nawe uyabona nesikhathi kwenzayo.
Yeah, nesikhathi.
Uyabona and then we end up like picking 4-5 orders in a week. But yo.
Le competition khona sinaso ngoba nathi so-checker sideliver igrosa khona uLethi khona Pick n Pay bonke bayadeliver khona Spar
Spa as well.
Nasi
Spa uyadonsa nawo Spa.
Even got the
The
electric one.
like the one that take a look.
So
Yeah.
the competition.
Do you deliver deliveries with that?
Yeah, I do.
For real? The
Yeah.
food one?
No, like
Only
sometimes.
Sometimes. Honestly, like you don't even
It's
control.
slow though. It's too
How many
slow.
are you? 30?
It pushes to 60. That's on the straight, yeah. Well, but then.
But the way you ride that thing.
I'm used to my bike. Yeah, well, my bike.
Yeah, injani traffic electric car.
The electric. Oh, you like a motor.
I get stuck in traffic. I get stuck in traffic. You know, sometimes I find myself. I wish I was actually on my bike. Right?
Yeah,
Just straight.
Yeah, well,
Straight.
but I can't. But you know, make it work. But Hilton's not bad with traffic.
Mm-hmm. But I think the thing is
Yeah.
good because if like especially on the street thing, it's good because imagine if you're going 100 and you're on a cave.
Yeah,
It went forward like.
it's very
Take it
unstable.
straight.
It's daunting at first, but got a seatbelt there, so that's one safety thing about.
And I saw another guy. I don't know. Is that true that you have to put a helmet on when you're driving that thing?
So about the helmet thing.
Khona ngambona sesipa ugqokile.
So when they made the metal band, it's called a metal band. When they made it, the safety features you have to wear a seatbelt.
Yeah.
Now, traffic cops don't actually know this. So I was actually involved in a stop
With the traffic cops.
with the
Yeah.
traffic cops, and I was fined for not wearing a seatbelt.
Oh.
Basically, but okay, it doesn't count. Technically, it doesn't count, right?
Yeah.
So in the article, Banban, I can't act Banban.
Yeah.
It says stipulates that when the vehicle is moving, I do not need to wear seatbelt
Helmet.
because I have a seatbelt.
Oh.
And case studies I've seen before, there's this guy who used to wear helmets, and he shattered the windscreen because the windscreen leaned.
Yeah.
Oh,
So he shattered
with the helmet.
Yeah, with the shower, he's tall, so he would get in, keeps dead, hitting his
And then
hitting
it
his
breaks.
and it ended up cracking.
Actually, I saw a guy was getting a ticket because of the helmet. Even the heavy helmet.
But join with me
those guys.
in society because for laba zimisa bona.
Ziyakhala. Ziyakhala. That was a kid.
If you never played,
If you know,
Yeah.
they stopped me because of the lights. You see, like there's a shield and then a little man.
Yeah.
Oh,
Shield
got
and
lights.
the whole thing. So you know when you're driving that thing, it's just going to be on all the time. Yeah. And it was
Yeah.
off. Like it was a lady. She was like, left lights. I'm like,
Yeah.
oh, they guys, whatever. And then that's okay. We all look this, yes. Otherwise, it was the guy. I know for sure. That's when I write the ticket. Straight. Yo, these guys, they don't play. In how it's a mess. It's always a mess, big time. It's always a mess.
So I know you told me for couple years back you would ask so
With
us.
You want to ask as well. You've been all along.
Ngoba ngaqala khona ngathi okay there's a Iponezi manje ngisecheckers ngabanye amusazi
At least you got the experience.
Yeah, it's so nice experience, but I bet Saranda experience you wouldn't survive with McDonald's orders.
Yeah.
Mom McPhee.
Yo,
I imagine, how do you guys transport those things?
Shaya bambu, potoli.
And I saw your bags you put them inside.
Yeah, it's got like a band, it's like a belt that goes with, you know.
And how fast do you have to go with that thing? Because honestly, I don't wanna lie. Because for me, when I'm riding, I do enjoy the bike. So all
survive. McDonald's cups are fragile. It's like Burger King cups, fragile. And if you hit a pothole wrong, you see it too late, you just it's over, you know. And you get to the customer.
Customers also tell them drink even now 11, bro. Never KO, the drink 11. The drink all
straight. For me, I had an incident with the pothole. But then with the pizza, I felt it that this pizza, there's something wrong inside. I just shake it and put it back. And then put it back. Like, you know, the customer called and then they were like, no, my order messed up and what and stuff like that. So we had to replace the pizza and stuff like that. But yo, it was crazy. It was crazy. The manager was like, dude, what happened? What did you do?
Like transporting like fragile thing, like, especially with your pizzas, you know, with the extra topping. With the extra cheese, it gets very mushy.
There's one they call thin and crispy.
Thin and crispy.
Bro, that pizza.
That's fragile.
It is thin and crispy, and then so if they overcut it, you're in trouble. As a driver, you're in trouble because you just move a little bit, it goes 100 straight. But
it's not so much cars more drive
slow.
But our roads, guys, are not.
That's the thing.
Are not.
Besides the roads, that person you're going to deliver to is expecting his delivery like yesterday. Then what am I gonna do? I'm not gonna drive with the 20.
Yeah,
I'm gonna have to be fast. And then the moment you become fast,
you ever been in an accident?
I've been in couple. I think I've in like 2 accidents. So when I first started riding a bike, I didn't actually know how to ride it, but you know, I was scared. I actually had an accident in Molly. So I turned there and then I had a problem with my ankle. So when I was turning there, the taxi was dropping the passengers. So the person went in front of the passengers whilst I'm coming on this side. And you know, like I said, it was busy like those days. It was like Monday. And I'm revving that thing, bro. And the guy just passed. Yo, bro. He just like, and I was in the accident already. All I know is my feet was underneath, and then I get a problem with my ankle. Instantly just started to what's the word? Swollen, and then like instantly at that moment, and then that was it. I went to the clinic, said no, it's not broken, it's just uyaqala ukufunda ke ukuthi straight
imoto ngisamele ngilandele eduze ngoba nami kwenzeka ngila eHawick futhi ngijima yabo
yakhumbula esidala ngaphakathi esidala sakushaya
sengiphuma ibhenda wona ngisuthi ngaphansi kwebridge phakathi sidala college there's umgwaqo ngithi umude lapha phakathi
uma century banibani
khona isidala college uma ungena phakathi khona imigwaqo vele phakathi enamabhenda mina ngoba usifoko umnyama vele ngiyagijima vele sengiphuma sengidilivile ibhenda ngibona ibhenda sengiwele emabreak
lapho hamba nebonda
ngingafana Spider-Man and then fell out pin
isn't it makusiza abantu nje bayakuhleka nje
you still alive
Zakala ingozi nje inkinga but when I was trying vele into enzekalayo but I mean especially when you want to buy you just know it's guaranteed one of the days you're gonna fall. It shouldn't come as a surprise to you when you fall. Like I may not understand it vele mthayi zizongikhalela ngala especially mawuqala or anything may not understand it guys izobuya isizobuya ngoba isisusa sihlala.
You know, but you know, the worst times when I've fallen off my bike,
Yeah.
it's when I'm driving slowly.
Kancane.
You know, like slowly and
Yeah.
like reasonably slow.
Yeah.
And it's in a position where I am like on my way to your deliver. And that's where it comes to, you know, you need to have proper equipment because
Yeah.
Straight.
Yeah.
Especially with the pattern, so you
Yeah,
need to keep
no,
that
I
thing in
definitely but
every time, because
Yeah.
Yeah, I've had that. I've never had my helmet fall off because I've got it battered up.
100%.
Yeah.
But ngangiphumele party mall and on the traffic circle, landed Porsche, beautiful Porsche, and after the traffic circle by straight, it's done like 10 meters and then by speed hump.
Yeah.
And yeah, it was wet.
Yeah.
Had my phone in my hand, double checking what's in your piece.
Keep on.
Yeah.
And the guy just stopped. And
Yeah.
On the bridge.
when
It is why.
my guy ngashushuluza mangithi ngibona i-footbag iphuma ethi ngibona i-chicken licking iphuma ethi
Yaphuma konke. God.
Ngawuphasi. There's no cars behind me. I look
At
up, the
least.
Porsche is gone.
At least.
Manje, and yabo, and Mowile, you like, what happened? Because you are stunned. You are stunned. yabo.
Straight.
And now all of a sudden there's people. Hi, Bo, Mr. T. Are you okay?
Keep on.
Right.
It's irritating.
Yo.
It's very irritating. I won't lie.
Hey. But I think the best way to treat with that one is you just have to relax and then it is what it is. Yeah, you just continue what you're doing.
But
just
we're not
find
on
the
those VIP bikes, bro. Coming there with a starter cap.
with every single day. Yo.
I mean, my helmet is, you know,
Yeah.
So it's kind of
expensive.
Yeah,
I'm going to
expensive
question,
for
since you work in Mr. D and stuff, how safe are you guys? Because honestly, in Howick, I don't know, like we're super safe. I don't know, like in terms of being hijacked, in terms of being attacked or anything like that.
Yeah.
How are you guys safe?
Okay, I won't lie. There've been those scenarios where we've had drivers that have been mugged.
Straight.
Where it comes to, especially at night, where it comes to a stop, you know, a stop, and you figure
People just come in.
Yeah.
And, you know, I've had drivers where they've been held gunpoint, you know, held
But come
gunpoint.
on, I'm just taking the food, bro.
Exactly. You know, some will make a fake order.
Yeah.
For example, Anthony,
Yeah.
you make an order. Yes,
Yeah.
you've got Makitag or you've got your crew.
Yeah.
You order Mr. D or Debonaise.
Yeah.
You go find a fake address.
Fake address, yeah.
What's it?
So I get to the pinpoint. I'm trying to call you. Number again.
Yeah.
Next minute, Gitty, I'm coming on the chat. Suddenly, delay Jalo. Guys come out of the bush. Held you that point. I have a friend. He's working with you guys. Yeah, well, luckily, he got away. He was held gunpoint with a food order. The Westgate. Gunpoint. He lost his phone.
They'll take it.
Because he had his phone. One put the phone in. One put the bike in, but the bike was recovered.
We're going to check a normal.
Yeah.
That thing helps a lot.
Yeah.
That thing really does help.
Yeah.
Because, jeez.
But some areas, I know we blacklisted the areas,
That would be
so we
great.
don't deliver. I know you guys deliver in those places.
Because sometimes
Sometimes, yeah, we do.
kumile kanjena ulinde imoto edlulayo ziphele ibhokisi elivulekile ngemuva yahamba
Uyathatha on But Washington, it's quite little dangerous there. Even if the person orders it, don't go. Yeah, it's quite dangerous. Yeah. But in Howick now, we never get like mugged. There's only one case that we had before. It was Blessmo, you know, that big guy. Yeah, he's the one who got mugged in out west up there, Kashif.
Yeah.
But that was that one. That was like the only case that we ever had. We never get any. So in Howick, I think we quite good. We quite good so far. Yeah, in terms of being security and stuff, or being stolen or anything like that. Yeah, it's quite good. It's just those customers who doesn't want to pay. Like I don't Money there. And then you're in trouble.
Sake ubugebengu last year. Ngazitshela ngavuka isithuthi singekho.
Oh yeah, ngiyakhumbula. Jeez, ngiyakhumbula. Ucela la le
Ngalala nje mina ngithi ngakhohlwa ukusilokho impondo isithuthi sami. Bengisilesa evrandi yabo. Ngiyavuka nje mina ngiyaqhuba kahle ngishaya kahle shaya helmet sami.
You ready for what?
Isithuthi. Sikho evrandi asikho bra. And ukhiye ngiphethe ngesandla.
So basilayisha nje sensana.
No, masipasipusha. Masipasipusha ngoba besuke uthini.
Yo.
Bese uyasazi ubamba iclash ile. Hamba even 10 kilometers.
But even I would blame it. There's some people who know you like Yo, that sucks. Was it your bike or?
No, you rent.
Since we rent, like how cost does it? Do you use your own bike as well?
No, I have my own bike, but with rental, rental much.
Rental it's 650 weekly, 650. Sometimes 700. It depends.
But that business of renting bikes, is it like a good idea of renting bikes out or?
I'd say that thing's stressful.
That's what I imagine. That's what I imagine.
I mean, like imagine like for yourself, you get a new bike, and remember you had an accident. How you haven't even made money, and already now you're already in.
You have to use money.
You have to use money that you don't have to cover. A bike that you messed up. Or something like
renting a bike, you buy petrol
and everything. But if a person is renting a bike, do you have to pay for the service of the bike and everything, or the owner is the one who does the repairs and everything?
I feel like that would depend on the agreement and I. So if I rent out my bike, I say I want 1.3 in 2 weeks. So that's at 650.
Yeah,
650 a week. If you have a puncture, for example, I feel like that's your responsibility.
Right.
Yeah, because you were driving it.
But
if Kubai service, like a full-on house service, change oil, brake pads, I think we can meet each other halfway.
That's
Some say because you're using the bike, it's your own responsibility. Everything is your responsibility.
It depends on the rent again bike. Sometimes if you rent a bike, you can't have a suit. Akanamisha imoto yena nje usesithuthuthu so wasunika umuntu ufuna imali ezakhe futhi ufuna imali engena kuphela akafuna ukusevisa
lo muntu is tough.
Totally, especially using the delivery. I agree. It's hard time.
How's the money there? Talking about how's the money there? I know we say it's commission, but full disclosure, how much? Give us a bracket.
I wouldn't say that much because it depends how hard you work. Honestly, like it depends how hard you work, how many deliveries you're doing, and we've got a little bit of incentive for our end of month. So there's like.
Hey, you guys got incentive? Incentive.
For real?
No incentive.
Nothing
whatsoever. The only incentive I get if I get a nice customer that decides to tip. And that's my only incentive.
I guess that's the advantage of being a debonair driver.
And if I don't come to work on Friday, 240 gone.
Right? It's minus like what have I got a problem? Do they understand?
Alright. So if I decide I'm not gonna come to work and I don't report, then obviously Friday no show. That's
totally.
But if Friday is the beginning of your weekend. It's the last day of the week where everyone is working. So it's probably gonna be the busiest day. It's the beginning of your piece. So we need every driver available on that day. If obviously, because we're working with numbers, we have a forecast. We're working with numbers.
But since we're at the numbers, you guys I've seen like a lots of Mr. D drivers. What's happening there? What's going on?
It's just Mr.
How many Mr. D drivers you got?
Like experience.
KZN.
We have fear in your car, usafunda bike back.
Yeah, true.
Why is that? But isn't that's going to be affecting on the employees as well, like on how much they'll be getting, because the orders will be affected, isn't it?
Yeah. So if let's say we average on a day, let's say on a Wednesday, we average maybe 3,000 orders. I'm just saying, that's an order.
Yeah, 100%.
3,000 orders. So obviously, the more drivers there are, there's going to be less. There's going to be less money or less orders there'll be more orders to be shared around, you know. So everyone needs a piece at the table. You know?
I think
So,
I understand that.
It does affect us. I won't lie. Because now, if you were doing like 20 orders a day, now obviously with the extra people, you're getting like now maybe like 15. And you know, so there's not budget. You know, we've got Makai, we're trying to fix at home. You know, you're trying to, you know, like you're trying to grow your brand as well. And it makes it really tough. Makes it really tough. Because, you know, some guys come there, no experience,
nothing.
Some can't even, you know,
and they'll be causing complaints again.
You know, basic communication skills.
Straight.
You know?
What that I wanted to ask as well, because I'm not saying we guys as Debonese drivers we're much better or anything like that, but I've heard customers complaining about the Mr. D drivers about the communication sense. What's happening? What's happening, guys? What's happening? Like,
so this one time, I've many experiences. So this one time, I was able to have a certain and do e-training, so training new drivers. So there's this thing we call e-learning. So
E-learning,
electronic learning on your app. So it teaches you how to deliver, you know, the basic steps, you know, but everything is self-explanatory, man. So you get there to the guy, you're talking to him. So that's what you do, and the guy's like, and then you're explaining, you know, you don't want this guy to make a mistake and make a fool of himself. And you know, it's basic things, you know. We're on the phone all day. But you know, you need to be able to communicate. Whether it's English, anything, any language, you know. No. So long as you have a valid driver's license, your vehicle is of deliver, you know, and your vehicle is valid.
It's valid, and then
you got a bank account, you know,
you're good to go.
But I feel like one of the things that we look over is that communication, you know.
Straight.
You can cram it, you can cram it, but you have so many instances where when a customer and you need to
when the customer puts the wrong address, you must communicate as well.
I've had that so many times where the customer inputs the wrong address. I forget your work address on a weekend, and when I get there, it's closed. And now customer, I'm sorry, I'm at home. I put the wrong address. You know,
and our procedure as deliveries, as far as we are the second address most of the time. For us deliver we address
because the thing is usually what I would say is our as Debonese, we don't like overruns. That is like to cancel an order as well. The managers, they get in trouble and stuff. So if you get to another location and then there is no driver, they will phone to the customer. Maybe they will be like, how far are you and stuff like that. Maybe they will end the delivery, but usually they'll be like, can you please go into please just go. So yeah, what command is made of ham and the makara, you know, this guy will be like. And also how the customer is speaking with you as well.
I'm demanding my piece. This customer thing, customers always right.
It's not right, that thing.
Never came up with that.
Straight. We need to get a chat with that person. No ways, man. No way. It gives more right to the customer.
No, that's the
thing. It also causes this bridge. More than like with us, there are some car drivers that deliver houses that get take a lot. But you know, with us, bikers, we can
Yeah.
bond over stuff.
Straight. 2 minutes.
It's not the same. You
Yeah.
know, the one
Yeah.
About
they
both,
they
yeah.
kind of
Yeah.
Yeah.
like
Oh, no, I'm driving it says.
when
But still,
you
it's
there,
never kind
yeah.
of it's never
you
kind.
know,
Yeah.
I think it also depends on the person as well. Like Leo Muntu Leo Unjan, like
Yeah.
and like how does that person think and stuff
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah.
Ngoba
Well,
kuna abantu vele nje
mina-
basalanda nje skipper na figure nje skipper na but
But that's a good
Yeah, bro.
umuntu osifazane singambona one-woman
dad,
akasema
ayike manje
eh
manje ngeke asekho.
Kodwa
Wayekhona.
maybe last year, bro.
Last year hayi ngeke asekho. Should samshaya, I don't know. That's just
then now besimshayile nje awutshele umuntu
abangasebenzi mina ngazama ukuthi no abatry ukudeliver ngoba kwi-advantage if umuntu wesifazane uqala udeliver just basaba
Basi yeah, yabo.
engathi hayi nesithuthu mina
But sikuleyo ndaba gender thing.
Equality.
Have you ever guys delivered to a person who's a transgender or something? Honestly, I always struggle. There's this customer I always go and deliver to.
yeah
And so she's a she, but now he's an he, right? Like he's a man now, like he's transgender.
yeah
Yo, bro, when I get there, I'm like, how you remember? And then I realize
That's good thing.
it's awkward every time when I get delivered.
I've never had that per se, but
Yo,
you know, I've delivered to someone that is gay.
yeah
So yeah, it happens. You know, I know we tend to identify with Umuntu because when he checks, so
exactly.
he's a man.
Like,
Yeah.
it's good. How's it?
yeah
Now you realize it flipped. Now there's now that awkward now.
I feel like I'm and be like, show up for it, you know.
Your boy
Yeah,
like,
and you don't want to come across
yeah
as rude.
yeah, and then
Yeah.
like to invade like to this.
Assess
I don't
every
like
situation.
it's tough. Totally.
Every
It is difficult. because
Customer service is it's really
It's
Yeah.
another thing.
Tough.
It's another
to
thing.
keep your composure in
Yeah.
every instance.
Straight. Yeah, but I think as long as you get used to it, once you started in there, you are in there. You just have to get it and then see what's going on, what's happening. Yeah. But yeah, I think that's about it. That's about it.
I don't think
So you can
it's almost an hour.